Hey, my name is Gabriel Chikwendonwofoke, a student of software development at BYU-Idaho, and in this video I shall in few minutes be addressing the 4 questions that we are asked at the end of this week's activity based on a garden simulated game. Now, the first question asks, what's the best data structure for this game? Looking at the scenario, I would go for a stack. Yes, the reason is simple. The game says you must plant the seeds. You must plant the seed that were most recently added first. So you go from, which is the last in, first out behavior, which is what we see in stack. Last in, first out. So if I had collected the pumpkin seed, put inside the basket, collect the tomato seed, put inside the basket, when planting, I will have to plant the tomato seed first. So stack remains the best structure for this. Now to the second question, what's the time complexity for adding seeds to the supply basket? I would say that the answer for this is order 1, which means constant time. This is because we always push to the top, irrespective of how many piles we have, whether it is 5 piles or 5,000 piles, we just push to the top. The same amount of effort, one operation is done. Now to the third question, what's the time complexity for removing a seed from the basket? It still remains order 1, which means constant time. This because we always pop from the top. We always pop from the top. That is removing from the top. We don't go searching the basket to know how many items in the stack. Rather, we go straight to the top, take out the one on the top, one operation regardless of how full the basket is. And to the last question, what's the time complexity for checking if the basket is empty? Yeah, checking if the basket is empty. The answer remains order 1, which is constant time. In this case, we just check the count of items on the stack. One quick check. There is no need looping into the basket. Just one quick check at a time. So this remains one operation that is being done. And so in summary, stack remains the best data structure for this because it follows the last in first out behavior, and all the 3 operations run in constant time. Thank you.